Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a sous vide honey glazed pork loin roast burrito. So let's get started. Okay, let's get our onions and red and green peppers out of the way here. Now we have our beautiful sous vide pork loin roast that we did the other day, and we have some left. Not much, but we have some. It was tasty. I'll put a link in the description for that. Boy, that was good. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to just go ahead and slice off some nice slices here, real kind of thin. Just like that. Keep them thin. Looking good. Okay, one more ought to do it. Okay, we'll put this aside. Now these, we're going to leave some of these whole, and we're going to cut up a couple just to make them like little chunks. Boy, is that still really tender. Yep. Okay, that's all we're going to do here. Okay, let's go ahead and put them on a plate. Well, there you have it. Our beautiful sous vide honey glazed pork loin roast that we're going to make a nice burrito out of. Oh yeah, that's going to be tasty. Okay, let's get started doing that. Okay, to get started making our delicious honey glazed pork loin roast burrito, we're going to set our burner to medium, and we're going to put some oil in the pan, and we're going to let that heat up, and we're going to put our nice silicone handle here. It's for a large cast iron skillet, so it fits right on there. Let's see if we can get it on. Yep, that's nice. Okay, our pan's nice and warm here. So we're going to put our vegetables in, you know, the onions and red and green peppers and everything. Put them right in there. I'm going to stir fry them up a little. Okay, now we're going to cover them. And we're going to let them soften up just a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, they're good. Okay. Now we're going to take our honey glazed pork loin roast here, and we're going to put that right in there. Looking good. Okay. Now we're going to stir that around a little. And we're just looking to warm up our pork a little bit here because it's already been cooked and everything, and it's really tasty. Okay, let's cover that for a minute and let everything get nice and hot. Okay, let's give it a check here. Oh yeah, everything's looking pretty good. Okay, we're gonna lower our heat to low, and we're going to take that off the burner and put that aside. Now we're going to take our large 12-inch cast iron griddle here, and we're going to put it right on the burner there, and we're going to spritz our pan with a little bit of oil. Then we're going to take our tortilla right here and put it right in the middle, just like that. Okay, our tortilla is warmed up a little bit here, so we're going to take our mixture here, our beautiful honey glazed mixture, and we're going to put our honey glazed pork loin roast in there with our vegetables. Boy, let me tell you, this is going to be tasty. And we'll put these right on top. Look at that. Boy, are they nice looking. That's going to be tasty, boy. Good. Now we're going to get this to one side a little. Just like that. So maybe we can fold it up good. Okay. Now we're going to take some tomatoes. These are just diced tomatoes. And we're going to put them on there. You can put as many as you want. As long as you think you can roll it up. Okay. Okay, that looks like enough. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to add a little bit of pepper. A little bit more garlic powder here. And because we have onions in there, we're going to put some onion powder. And just because we like it, we're going to put some smoked paprika. Now we're going to take our cheese and we're going to put that on top. Yeah, cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Now this is a cheese blend. Yep, there you go. Okay, that ought to be enough. Now we're going to see if we can wrap this up. So we're going to take our edges and we're going to bring them in close. As close as we can. And then we're going to do the tuck and roll. The tuck. It's a big one. And roll. Oh, there we have it right there. That's beautiful right there. Boy, is that big. Alright. Is that a piece of cheese? Yep. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to toast this up, both sides. And then we're going to serve him up and have a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. Boy, does that smell good. Okay, let's cover that for a little bit. And toast that up good. Okay, let's uncover that and see how we're doing. Nice. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's cover that and do this side. Okay, let's uncover that and see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there. Wow. Boy, that's big. You should smell this. It really smells wonderful here. I can actually smell the honey glazed pork loin that's in there. Yeah. And the seasonings. Okay, let's get that out of there. Okay, here we go. Boy, is that nice. I wish you could see the size of this because it's really big. You know? See it? Okay. Can you see how thick it is? Really thick. Okay. Yeah, I can't wait to get into that. There you have it, guys. Our delicious sous vide honey glazed pork loin roast burrito. Boy, is that big. Yeah, that smells wonderful. Let's just get into a piece here. We'll cut it right in half. And we'll see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see that? Boy, is that tasty looking or what? Look at the pork in there with the vegetables and the tomato and the cheese. Wow. Let's just have a little bite. Oh yeah. Boy, is that tasty. You're gonna love this one right here. Look at the cheese. Okay, let's put it up here where you can see it better. There you go. That is tasty. You're gonna love these. That's an easy way to use up some of your leftover, your pork or your ham or even chicken. Anything you have, you can really make a delicious sandwich out of it. Especially a burrito style. Here it's easy. You can wrap them right up and there you have it. Yeah, that honey glazed pork loin roast that's in there, Yeah, I'll put a link in the description for that. How we did that. Boy, that turned out wonderful. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, you know what go good with that right there? You got it. A nice wobble pop. Okay. That sounds good. Mmm. Good.